Hello, and thank you for watching. In this video, we're going to explain what call parking is. It allows you to be able to put a call in a parking lot, so to speak. And so that way someone else can pick up that call that is in a remote area or in a factory that someone that might be paged for to pick up. So in this case, we're going to place a call. When I press the dial button, I'm going to then press the transfer button and transfer to extension 700, attend transfer,
701.
And then it tells me 701 and I hit transfer. So now I could go and do a building page or go tell so-and-so that they have a call. And so if I hit 701 and hit dial, it now connects me back to that call that was on hold, and you can't hear it because I'm in voicemail, and then you would hit the end call. This allows you to be able to have anybody be able to dial that 701. After a certain amount of time that call has been in that parking lot, the caller will get placed back into your phone, and then you can take care of that call and then send that person directly to voicemail or transfer to their cell phone or things like that. So that is how parking lots work for call parking. If you have questions, would like us to set up something unique for you, please feel free to reach out, dial 0, or send us an email at helpdesk@indianatelephonenetwork.com, and we will be happy to help you. Thank you.